I'm Gregg Jensen from Viberg, South Dakota. We farm corn and soybeans. I'm fourth generation here. I've been working with Summit for roughly 6 years now, and they've built my grain leg, pit, 2 bins, and now my new shop. This building that Summit built is 72 by 144. I have a 50-foot overhead hydraulic door. The reason we built that was to bring combines in and out, machinery in and out without having to unhook or put them on trailers. We also have 2 30-foot doors. We're able to do more of the maintenance that we want on our farm versus paying someone else to do it. So I know that the ROI that we get on this shop, I know that this thing pays for itself. Having Summit Contracting handle the whole project is definitely a relief when you just know it's going to get taken care of. Anytime we're looking to build anything, they just ask a lot of intrinsic questions about my operation. When you have the same guys looking over the project from start to finish, as things come up, they can talk you through it. They've seen it, they've dealt with it. So any issue you have, they got your back. I was always told what was going on, why they did it certain things. I've always respected people that tell me what I need to hear, not what I want to hear. I've talked with other farmers in the area that have had them come out and bid jobs, and they've said the same thing. Even if they weren't going to get the job, they were going to make sure you didn't go the cheap route or cut a corner that you're going to regret later on. Summit Contracting has helped me plan and execute for the legacy that I want. I would definitely recommend Summit Contracting to anybody.